Here are 10 interesting facts about pumpkins. 1. Pumpkins are technically fruits, like tomatoes and peppers. Pumpkins are botanically classified as fruits because they develop from flowers and contain seeds. However, they are commonly treated as vegetables in cooking. 2. They originated in North America. Pumpkins have been grown in Mexico for over 7,500 years, making them one of the oldest domesticated crops. Native Americans used pumpkins for food, medicine, and even as storage containers. 3. Pumpkins come in many colors. While orange is the most common, pumpkins can also be white, yellow, green, blue, and even pink. Some varieties, like Jarrahdale or Blue Hubbard, have a bluish-gray hue. 4. Every part of a pumpkin is edible. You can eat the flesh, seeds, leaves, and even the flowers of a pumpkin. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, are especially rich in protein and magnesium. 5. The world's heaviest pumpkin weighed over 2,700 pounds. The current world record for the heaviest pumpkin is 2,749 pounds, 1,247 kilograms, grown in Italy in 2021. Giant pumpkin growers often use special genetics and feeding techniques to achieve massive sizes. 6. Pumpkins are 90% water. Despite their dense appearance, pumpkins are mostly water, which makes them low in calories but high in fiber. This also explains why they have a soft, moist texture when cooked. 7. Pumpkin pie wasn't always a dessert. Early American settlers made pumpkins savory by stuffing them with milk, honey, and spices, then baking them over hot coals more like a custard than a pie. 8. Pumpkins depend on bees for pollination. Most pumpkin varieties need bees, especially squash bees and honeybees, to pollinate their flowers. Without enough pollinators, pumpkins won't form properly. 9. Pumpkins are a type of winter squash. Pumpkins belong to the cucurbitaceae family, which includes squashes, gourds, and cucumbers. Some pumpkins, like cabica or buttercup, taste more like sweet potatoes. 10. Illinois is the top pumpkin producer in the U.S. Illinois grows more pumpkins than any other U.S. state, producing over 500 million pounds per year, mostly for canned pumpkin products. Enjoy pumpkin season. Subscribe.